Bill Gates' biography. Early life and childhood. William Henry Gates III, popularly known as Bill Gates, was born on October 28, 1955, in Seattle, Washington, USA. He is the second child of William H. Gates Sr., a prominent lawyer, and Mary Maxwell Gates, a schoolteacher and later a member of several corporate boards. Gates grew up in an upper-middle-class family with two sisters, Christiane and Libby. As a child, Bill was an avid reader with a sharp intellect. He excelled in academics, particularly in mathematics and science, and developed an early interest in computers. His fascination with technology began when his school, Lakeside School, purchased a computer terminal in 1968. Gates and his friend Paul Allen spent hours learning programming on this machine. By the age of 13, Gates had written his first computer program. He and Allen even hacked into the school's scheduling system, showcasing their programming talent early on. This passion for computers laid the foundation for Gates' future career. Education and career beginnings. Gates enrolled at Harvard University in 1973 but dropped out in 1975 to pursue his passion for software development. While at Harvard, he and Allen worked together on projects, and they saw the potential of personal computers when they came across the Altair 8800, an early microcomputer. In 1975, Gates and Allen founded Microsoft, originally Microsoft, short for microcomputer software. Their first product was an interpreter for the BASIC programming language. Microsoft soon became a key player in the software industry, providing operating systems for IBM computers and other companies. Rise of Microsoft and career milestones. Microsoft's big breakthrough came in 1980 when they secured a deal with IBM to provide an operating system for their PCs. Gates and his team purchased an existing system, modified it, and named it MS-DOS. This operating system became the backbone of IBM PCs and millions of other computers worldwide. In 1985, Microsoft launched Windows, a graphical extension of MS-DOS, which revolutionized personal computing by making it more user-friendly. Over the years, Microsoft introduced newer versions of Windows, solidifying its dominance in the tech industry. Some key milestones in Gates' career include: 1995, Microsoft released Windows 95, which became a massive success and set the standard for modern operating systems. 2000, Gates stepped down as CEO of Microsoft, transitioning to the role of Chief Software Architect, focusing more on innovation. 2008, Gates officially left his full-time role at Microsoft to concentrate on philanthropic activities. 2020, Gates stepped down from Microsoft's board of directors but remains involved in an advisory capacity. Struggles and challenges. Bill Gates faced several challenges on his path to success. 1. Antitrust lawsuits. Microsoft was involved in multiple antitrust cases during the 1990s, with critics accusing the company of monopolistic practices. 1. The most notable was the United States versus Microsoft Corp. case, which ended in a settlement in 2001. 2. Competitor pressure. Gates constantly faced competition from other tech giants, such as Apple, IBM, and Google. 3. Work-life balance. In his early years at Microsoft, Gates was known for his intense work ethic, often working long hours and expecting the same from his employees, which left little time for personal life. Philanthropy and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In 2000, Gates and his then-wife, Melinda French Gates, co-founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, one of the largest private philanthropic organizations in the world. The foundation focuses on global health, education, poverty alleviation, and access to technology. The Gates Foundation has donated billions of dollars to initiatives like eradicating diseases, e.g., polio and malaria, improving education systems, and expanding access to clean water and sanitation. Marriage and personal life. Bill Gates married Melinda French on January 1, 1994, in a private ceremony in Hawaii. The couple has 3 children, Jennifer, Rory, and Phoebe. After 27 years of marriage, Gates and Melinda announced their divorce in May 2021. Despite their separation, they continue to collaborate on philanthropic efforts through their foundation. Gates has also been open about his personal habits, including his love for reading, a passion for tennis, and his annual Think Week, where he isolates himself to read and reflect. Net worth. As of 2025, Bill Gates' net worth is estimated to be around $110 billion, making him one of the richest people in the world. Most of his wealth comes from his Microsoft shares and investments through Cascade Investment, his private investment firm. Legacy and impact. Bill Gates is widely regarded as a pioneer of the personal computing revolution. His vision and leadership transformed Microsoft into one of the most valuable companies in the world, fundamentally shaping how people interact with technology. Beyond business, Gates' philanthropy has left a lasting impact on global health, education, and poverty alleviation. His life serves as an example of how innovation and determination can lead to extraordinary success, and how wealth can be used to address some of the world's most pressing issues.